little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful cap. Here I am drawing the cap. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Cap, cap, cap. C for cap. Do you know the spelling of cap? Yes, C-A-P, cap. I drew the picture, now it's time to color it. Here I am using oil pastel color to color this beautiful cap. First one I am using the red color. Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is red color. Do you know the red color spelling? Yes, red spelling is R-E-D, red. Here I am using light green color. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green color. Do you know green spelling? Yes, Z-R-E-E-N, green. Now I'm using the orange color. Orange color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Orange color. Do you know orange spelling? Yes, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Here I am using deep blue color. Now I am using light blue color. Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Light blue color. Do you know blue spelling? Yes, B-L-U-E, blue. Wow, the cap is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.